So what do we do? Stick to policy or adapt with compassion? Okay. So, in Islam, we have true principle guide us clearly here. First is preservation of life, hifz an-nafs. The most important value in Islam is saving a life. Help always come first. The second one is flexibility, rukhsah. Islam is never rigid. When someone is sick, the rules are softened to protect them. As the Quran says, Allah does not burden a soul more than it can bear. So there's nothing wrong in helping someone break fast early if it protects their health. Okay, so we go to the Muslim-friendly solution for the short term. Okay, so what should the hotel do immediately? Okay, first, we can prepare a small meal like dates, water, and soup. Something light but effective. The second one is we can deliver it discreetly to their room before Maghrib. And the last one, treat the situation with privacy and kindness. It's not just about food, it's about respecting the guest's health and faith. Okay, so for the long-term strategy, what the company can do, we can create a health-sensitive iftar menu. The second, allow early services for medical needs with simple verification. The last one, train staff to handle this request calmly, politely, and confidently. So this can make our service more inclusive and builds a trusted reputation. Okay, so the most important thing is we respect the guest dignity. So that is the most important thing. So no need to question them publicly, no need to ask them why can't you wait, because that feels hurtful. Instead, treat it with care and confidentiality. Let them know we see you, we respect you, and we're here for you. Okay, what a positive outcome from this presentation. The benefit are huge. First is you gain the guest trust and loyalty. The second, you show your brand is truly Muslim friendly. And last one, and most importantly, is we practice what Islam teach, compassion over rigidity. So that's how we turn a challenge into an opportunity. Okay, so we recap. First, a diabetic guest needs to break fast early, so we say yes with care. Islamic values support flexibility when health is at stake. Hospitality is more than service, it's about understanding and empathy. Simple acts of compassion go a long way in making someone feel seen and safe. So that's all from me. Thank you for all your attention. Let's continue learning how to make our service inclusive, faith sensitive, and kind, just like Islam teach us. Wallahu alam.
Wallah alam. Thank you so much. Interesting, Afiq, that coming out with this topic, this slide. So it's very interesting. Then we can see that actually boleh je buat. Thank you so much again. And the scenario is like about the kita nak buat untuk day 3. Okay. So terima kasih banyak sekali. So saya akan stop lah because now is dah penuh dah.